up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Swimming Lessons with Jay Beck. As always, we start off with big arms. This was a special group I had. Um, 4 kids. Day one. To my far left, that is Chan Man. That's my nickname for him. Superwoman. That's the girl in the middle. The young queen. I have Trace. And I have Curly Top to the far right. Very, very special group. Right here, just seeing if everyone is comfortable underwater. And I see they all are comfortable, we move on to kicking. I demonstrate for them, straighten your arms out, face down, kick fast as you can. Right here, I'm working with Chan Man to my far right, making sure his arms are straight out and he's kicking. He demonstrates it. High five and we move on to Trace. I make sure his arms are straight out. Make sure his head is down. Make sure he is kicking fast as he can. He floats back up. He's doing it correct. All right, he does it well. Making sure that he understands the importance of kicking when he is swimming. And after I explain that to him, move on to Superwoman. And of course, she demonstrates it perfectly. She's kicking. Her arms are straight. Her head was down. And Superwoman is ready to swim. After Superwoman, we move on to Curly Top. Making sure I demonstrate his arms has to be straight. His head has to be down. He has to be kicking. And he demonstrates it for me. And I make sure he understands the importance of kicking when he is swimming. And now we're ready for our first attempt of swimming. This is Trace. Not perfect technique, but it is everyone's first day. So I let him have a pass. Chan Man struggled on his first attempt, but I made sure that he understands that he has to kick when he swims. He kicks this time around, and Chan Man makes it to the wall. High five, we move on to Curly Top. Right now, people, this is day one. We 2 for 2. This is Curly Top, first attempt. He makes it to the wall. Not perfect technique, but he is swimming. Right now, we 3 for 3, people, day one. And we moving on to Superwoman. And of course, she kills it. She is swimming. Big arms, kicking, face down. She makes it to the wall. Right here, this is Marshawn. This is Marshawn, 4th session. We 5 for 5 because everyone knows how to swim at this point. And right here, I work on Marshawn with his kicking. I just wanted to polish up his technique, being that this is his last day of swimming lessons. This is day 4 for Marshawn. He goes back, he works on it. It's a lot better this time around. And now we are ready for the deep end. Here I am just having them show me that they are ready for the deep end of the pool. And that is Trace, that's Chan Man, and this is Curly Top. Day 1, people. This is day 1 of swimming lessons. Now we move on to the deep end of the pool, working on dog cuddling. This is how you float in deep water.
There you go, Marshawn.
First up, we have Marshawn.
This is called doggy cuddling, y'all. Pay attention. Good, Marshawn.
So after Marshawn doggy pedals, I make him dog cuddle first and then swim to me. And this was a big step for Marshawn. He had a tragic experience when he was younger, almost drowning. So to see Marshawn become comfortable in the deep end was a huge accomplishment. This is Chan Man. He demonstrates dog cuddling perfectly. We move on to the next step. He dog cuddles and swims to me. Does that well. We move on to Trace. He demonstrates dog cuddling well. Move on to the next step. He dog cuddles. He then swims to me. He demonstrates that well.
For 3 right now. We 3 for 3. We're going to keep head after 1, Curly Head. I see you, Curly Head. Curly Head, how many fingers holding up? Turn around and look.
5.
All right. I see you turn the head. Come on, go. Go. I'll take it. It's like Sunday morning to me. Good job, Trinity. 4 for 4. Look at them. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now we 4 for 4. They know.
Superwoman does perfectly as I expected. She doggy pedals, counts out my fingers, and she's ready for the next step. She doggy pedals, and then she swims to me, kicking, big arms, face down. She is ready. We are 5 for 5, people. Day 1. This is Marshawn's last day. To see this was a big moment here. He jumps in, he swims to me.
Good job.
Marshawn, first day, he cried to not get in the deep end of the pool. So to see this was a very special moment. Proud of you, Marshawn, if you're watching this right now. We're 1 for 1. So let's see how we finish off the day. This is Chan Man up next. Chan Man jumps in. He uses big arms. And he kicks. And he makes it to me. 2 for 2. This is Trace. Jumps in, swims to the wall. We are 3 for 3, people. Day 1 of swimming lessons for this group. He jumps in. This is Curly Top. Jumps in. He makes it to the ladder. And right now we are 4 for 4.
Right now we 4 for 4. Right now we 4 for 4. We got 1 more.
Last but not least, we have the very talented Superwoman. She jumps in and she swims to me. I kind of challenged her because I knew she was going to be a very special swimmer, and of course she makes it to me. She doesn't panic. Fast forward, everyone, this is our last day with this group. This is day 4. I had them to swim on their backs, to flip over, and then swim regular all the way past the rope of the pool, and they all demonstrate it very, very well. As you can see, I'm very happy. Thank y'all for tuning in. Like this video, share, subscribe, and comment.